Good afternoon.
Hello.
We are exploring on this beautiful Sunday afternoon.
Yep, we are in the southwest Washington area, and we are on the east fork of the Lewis River, and we're going to show you
Few different attractions.
Waterfalls,
some other cool stuff
mills,
that we'll show you.
Bridges.
Maybe
Who knows?
an abandoned train.
Oh my God.
What?
It's going to be amazing.
All right, let's go.
Let's go. And this is Lucia Falls.
So pretty. It is like really short little hike from the parking lot. Not even hike, just a little walk.
Beautiful. Nice
Yeah.
rocks you can climb on, and beautiful.
Very pretty.
Yeah.
Saw some fishies jumping.
Yeah. All right, Lucia Falls. Check.
There's actually a trail you can do here too.
Yeah.
I think it's like
Mile.
a mile or so.
Yep.
Loop.
Easy.
But we are not going to do that today. We're going to hop back in the car.
On to
and
the
head
next.
Down to the next.
Yeah, let's go. Well, this was supposed to be another attraction, but it is no trespassing, county property, keep out. So we'll take a picture and on to the next.
And we are now at Moulton Falls, which is just a short little couple mile drive from Lucia Falls. So let's go check it out.
All right, that was Moulton Falls.
Beautiful.
Amazing. And we're not too far away from our next attraction, so
We're gonna take a little walk. right, we are on Moulton Falls Bridge. We actually did this hike and trail last year in January, so you can find that video in the description below.
Yeah.
But It was super cool up here, so now we are moving on to our next attraction, Yakult Falls. So let's go.
They must extend that over so you can hike through there. Probably in summertime. That is it from Yakult.
Yakult Falls.
Yakult Falls.
Very pretty. You gotta go a little bit past the parking area.
Yeah, be careful on the road, but just take caution. All right, on to the next. All right, now we are in downtown, busy Yakult, and we're gonna go check out
the Chalachee
Railroad, but it's closed down for the season, but at least we can check it out. The Chalachee Railroad was built in 1888 to transport the natural resources around here, probably timber and other fine materials, whatever.
And it was used until the 90s.
Yeah, 1993.
That's so crazy.
So, cool. Summertime, yeah, probably give you a nice ride
and
around.
so the train trestle that we were at that said do not enter, it actually, this train goes across that.
Yeah. Well,
so,
it goes quite a ways.
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
Cool. All right, on to the next.
Ta-da!
Yeah, my wife. My wife right there.
We are at the Cedar Grist Mill in Woodland, Washington. It's about, what, 5 or 6 mile drive from Yakult. So this is our last stop on our little tour of sightseeing in Southwest Washington.
That's the end of the line.
All right, well that is it for our time at the Cedar Grist Mill, and we have gone 7 different places today.
Awesome.
7 different attractions, all within, what, an hour of where we live at?
Highly
So much fun.
recommend this area. So beautiful,
Yeah,
especially in the winter, spring, fall.
anytime. All right, well thank you for joining us on this edition of our PNW Adventures, and we'll see you on the next video.
Peace out.
Deuces.
Bye.
Saw some fishies jumping.
Yeah.
So cool.
Except they stopped right when I brought out the camera. No trespassing. Seriously?
Why is it? Where did this come from? Golfing?
No, golfing.
What?
What the hell?
You're on a trail. Why would you be golfing? It's boggled my mind. I think you can ride this in the, maybe like...
The chillatch. Come on, fishy. Jump. Come on. Oh, sure, right when I have the camera, you're not going to do it.